Hi students, welcome to chemistry online classes. In the previous class I discussed about the equilibrium concentration calculation, that all whatever the problem solved based on the homogeneous equilibrium. Now heterogeneous equilibrium respect to some problem we will discuss. In that, one of the question is 1 kg of solid calcium carbonate is taken. This is calcium carbonate taken how much? 1 kg taken in a closed container. Volume is equal to 80 liter at 727 degrees Celsius. 720 degrees Celsius. If pressure of equilibrium is, equilibrium pressure is 6 atmosphere, equilibrium pressure is 6 atmosphere, then calculate 1 kp to weight of calcium oxide formed at equilibrium. Third one is percentage of dissociation of calcium carbonate at equilibrium. Percentage dissociation of calcium carbonate at equilibrium. First, any question given with respect to this equilibrium concentration or Kp, Kc, always you have to write the expression calcium carbonate dissociate into calcium oxide plus CO2 gas. Already we know this is a solid, this is also solid, this is gas. If they given mean good, if they not given mean you should know that. I hope in the question this is given, but I not wrote here question that is given. Okay. Now this is how much. Otherwise normally you can consider this A moles, T equal to 0 time dash dash, this is T equal to T equilibrium time, this is A minus X, this is X, this is X. This is very clear. But 1 kg given, so N is equal to what is that? Mass by molar mass. We know that mass given 1 kg means 1000 gram, its molar mass is 100 gram, 20 cancel, therefore this is 10 moles. So A is nothing but here 10 moles, then 10 minus X, this is 10 minus X, then this is X only, here also X only, there is no change. Okay. Then they given here, if pressure at equilibrium is 6 atmosphere, generally pressure developed due to the gas or solid or liquid, generally gas. So this is solid, therefore N total, this number of mole total is with respect to gas is 0. So this is only develop the pressure, therefore X is equal to 6 atmosphere. This is solid, therefore whatever the pressure developed, that is due to only gas. So if you not know these things, then you are doing what is that? 10 minus X plus X plus X, therefore N total is, generally number of moles is 10, here 10 minus X plus X, this is another X also is there, 10 minus X, X and X, 1 X cancel, therefore 10 plus X. Okay. Then X is equal to how much? 6. Then Kp expression, what is that? We have to calculate Kp. Kp is equal to pressure of CO2 only, therefore answer is 6 only. Pressure of CO2 how much is there? 6. I think that is equilibrium pressure. Then total pressure, how to what do you call? 1 minute. Kp equal to CO2 only, correct is there? Yes, this, because whatever this developed, that is 6 means 6 only. Now second one is weight of calcium oxide formed at equilibrium. Weight mean what is that? W or small m. Then keep in mind, if it is x mean this is also x, then PV is equal to nRT. Then P is equal to how much? 6, because whatever this reaction at 6 only, volume is given how much? 80 liter. This is equal to N. We have to calculate now. Actually P, this pressure is directly proportional to number of mole. This 6 means this is also 6 only, but if you want to calculate, then you can calculate like this also. This is R value is here in liter atmosphere is there, mean actually this is given in atmosphere, therefore liter atmosphere is then this also liter atmosphere value you have to take, that is 0.08, like this we can take. 21 also is there, you can neglect that value also. And this is how much? 727 plus 273 how much? 1000. Therefore 1010 cancel, point these two zeros cancel, like this only values I given, therefore easy to cancel also. 8 also cancel, there is number of moles is equal to 6 only. This is clear. So number of moles we know, when number of moles we know, then W is equal to what is that? Or here formula is there, small m also you can write, m mass is equal to, these are multiplied number of moles into molar mass, number of moles 6, molar mass of calcium oxide is 56, because this is 20, this is 16, right? Sorry, this atomic number 20, this is 40 plus 16, 56. Therefore you multiply, then you will get the answer. So already is there, maybe that is 336. This is, you can calculate 336 gram. So 1 took over. This is Kp, and weight of calcium oxide also. Then number of moles of dissociation, percentage of dissociation of calcium carbonate. This is x, means this is also how much dissociated? X. Therefore according to this one, third one is percentage of, that is x dissociated is equal to 6 by 10 into 100, because initial how much? 10. How to calculate percentage? Dissociated by initial, dissociated 6 and this 10, their initial, this is dissociated, this is initial, 10 cancel, then this is 60 percentage, remaining 40 percentage is left. Sometimes they may ask question also, in this dissociation how much percentage of calcium carbonate is left, then 40% is left. So you have to think, when heterogeneous equilibrium is there, the pressure developed due to only gas, not due to solid. Okay, one more question here. Same 1 kg of ammonium hydrogen sulfide taken in closed container, volume is 80 liter. Question this is, and temperature is same 727 degrees Celsius, nothing but 1000 Kelvin. If pressure developed at equilibrium is 20 atmosphere, then calculate Kp is how much for this reaction they given here. For this reaction is given NH4HS gives rise to NH3 plus H2S. They are given this equation. And also calculate, second one is percentage of dissociation of NH4HS at equilibrium. This is a question. whatever they given, first what you have to write? Equation already given. NH4HS gives rise to NH3 plus H2S. Then this is t equal to 0 time, t equal to t equilibrium time. This is what you call A, this is dash dash, then n total at initial is A, then this is A minus x, then this is x, this is also x, therefore 1x cancel, therefore 1A plus x is total number of moles at equilibrium. Then what you have to calculate first? Kp. Kp is equal to, what is the formula? Kp is equal to pressure of NH3 into pressure of H2S. This is solid, we know this is a solid, therefore this is not represented in the expression, only these are gas form only represented in the Kp expression. Okay, then we know the partial pressure is equal to, what is that? This is total equilibrium pressure, how much? That is 20. Then this is x plus x is how much? X plus x is 2x. Therefore 2x is equal to how much? 20. X is equal to how much? 20 by 2, that is 10. So each one answer is how much? 10. This is 10. Okay, then 10 into 10, what is that? 100. So 100. Okay, so one is completed, that is Kp. Another one, what is that? We have to calculate percentage dissociation of ammonium hydrogen sulfide at equilibrium. Then we have to calculate number of moles dissociated. How to calculate this number of moles? Initial number of moles we know. What is the initial number of moles? N is equal to, where 1 kg given means 1000 gram, its molar mass. Nitrogen 14, hydrogen 4 plus 1 5, and this is 32. Then how much this is? 9 plus 2 11 plus this is 51. Therefore this is 51. Okay, you can calculate, or you can keep like this also. Then here A minus x is how much? 10. Then we have to calculate A minus number of moles dissociated. This is pressure. Okay, the number of moles, if you want to calculate, PV is equal to nRT. Pressure developed is how much? Pressure developed at equilibrium is how much? That is 20. Okay. So keep in mind. Now you will get the confusion. One thing I will tell here, then here P equilibrium value I have to take, or only partial pressure we have to take. Mean this is 100% true. Always you have to take the partial pressure only in this equation. Partial pressure only take, otherwise you will get the different answer. Therefore always take the partial pressure. Partial pressure, how much we got? 10 into volume 80 is equal to number of moles. This is 0.08 and this is 1000. Then this 0 cancel, this point, this 20 cancel, 8 cancel, n equal how much? 10. So anyway, this is only, already I told you that this x is 10 means this also 10 only. Therefore now percentage dissociated is equal to x, how much? This dissociated form 10 by initial number of mole. Initial number of mole is 1000 by 51. Then this is cancel. Okay, and into 100 also is there, I forgot, into 100. Therefore this is cancel. Then percentage is not 510. It is not possible. Where I did mistake? One second, check. Two zeros cancel, 10 cancel, then 51 only. 51 only. Okay, this is a how to calculate when the heterogeneous mixture is given. Now with respect to degree of dissociation respect to some problem will ask in the competitive exam. These all parts if you know in theory mean okay, but I thought you learn very long time, therefore once again I am revising and by using the problem. Actually first theory, then competitive part. So whatever the theory is there, I am including in this problem only. So you have to learn how to solve this. Now, alpha is nothing but degree of dissociation. DOD means degree of dissociation is number of moles dissociated by total number of moles. This is a alpha, degree of dissociation. With respect to this, many problems are there. You have to concentrate on this degree of dissociation, mean number of moles dissociated by initial moles of reactant. That also total mean total number of moles of initial number of moles of reactant. Otherwise you will confuse. If I not write clearly, total number of moles mean you will consider at equilibrium also. Therefore you will get the confusion. This is a formula for alpha, degree of dissociation. Now based on this one, directly I will take the problem. And keep in mind this alpha is less than 1, greater than 0. Not 0, not equal to 1, it is less than 1 only. So based on this, directly we will take the one problem. So here one question is given. What is the question? Degree of dissociation of AB2 for equation. Equation already given. 2AB2 gives rise to AB plus B2. All are in the gas form. All are in gas. Gas. So degree of dissociation is X for this reaction. X, which is small compared to unity. It is small compared to unity. It means 1. Derive an expression for X. What you have to derive the expression for X in terms of Kp and equilibrium pressure. So this is in previous one question I given, PCl3 dissociating to PCl5 dissociating to PCl3 plus Cl2. There also the dissociation of number of moles of PCl5 in terms of Kp and P. But here degree of dissociation word is given. So first what you have to do is, this is initial, always write the equation. This is compulsory. This in the form of question is there. Again you have to write, but already is there. That's why I am directly writing here only. This is A moles, because in the question not given how many moles. Then this is dash. Then N total is equal to how much here? A initial moles. Then T equal to T equilibrium time. This is A minus. Now degree of dissociation is, actually how we will write? A minus 2x. Normally when change is there, A moles minus with respect to this. Then alpha formula, what is that? Alpha is equal to number of moles dissociated. How much this is? 2x because in general this a minus 2x, therefore this dissociated 2x by initial moles. What is that? A. Clear this is? Then alpha is equal to what is that? 2x by a. Therefore x is equal to what is that? A alpha by 2. I hope this is clear. So now 2x is equal to what is that? 2x is equal to a alpha. So keep in mind, generally actual how you are writing a minus 2x, this is 2x, this is x. This before, when degree of dissociation is given, therefore a minus 2x is equal to how much? A alpha. 2x is equal to what is that? A alpha. X is equal to what is that? A alpha by 2. A alpha by 2. So now in terms of this number of moles, a minus x plus a minus a alpha plus a alpha plus a alpha by 2. So you do that directly. I will write here in the form of, this is total a is a common taken 1 plus alpha by 2 already is there, therefore I am writing this is total mole. If you cancel this is and a plus a alpha by 2, a taken common, therefore 1 plus alpha by 2. Okay, then what you have to calculate now? Alpha is nothing but here x, because they mentioned in the question alpha is nothing but x. Degree of dissociation is x, x is less than 1. Okay, now Kp is equal to what is that? Partial pressure of AB whole square into partial pressure of B2 and partial pressure of AB2 whole square. Now we know that partial pressure nothing but what is that? Partial pressure is equal to mole fraction into P equilibrium, that is P total. Now Kp is equal to AB is what is that? A alpha by total at equilibrium, total number of moles, that is this one, A plus alpha, not A plus, or I will write here better. Kp is equal to AB is A alpha by A into 1 plus alpha by 2. Total is square is there, then square multiply PB2, then this is all A alpha by 2 and denominator what is that? A into 1 plus alpha by 2, this is, and next one is A common taken here, A common taken means A 1 minus alpha, therefore A into 1 minus alpha by A into 1 plus alpha by 2 whole square. This is the expression. Then now you can calculate here. Okay, here 2 time is there, here 2 time is there. So this is cancel, this is cancel, this is cancel. So 1 plus alpha by 2, 1 plus alpha by 2 here 2 times, here 2 times cancel, 1 time left. Then numerator what is left here? Alpha into alpha, alpha square. Okay. Then here 2 into 1 minus alpha whole square. No, this is denominator 1 minus alpha whole square is there. This total part cancel is there and only alpha square into alpha numerator, and this will be denominator, then here 2 into 1 plus alpha by 2, and this 1 minus alpha square. So if you calculate this x cube, and p somewhere I forgot maybe, because here also p will be there, because mole fraction into p, mole fraction into p, mole fraction into p, anyway p cancel, this p will be left, this p will be there here. Then x cube into p, then what are left here? 1 minus alpha square and 2, somewhere 2 also is there. A alpha by 2, then A alpha square, A by 2 alpha square, 2. Kp is equal to x cube into p by 2 also is there, into 1 plus alpha by 2. This is a Kp expression. If alpha is less than 1, it means x is less than 1 mean alpha only, then this is here neglected, and this is here alpha by 2 also neglected. So keep in mind 1 minus alpha is equal to 1, 1 plus alpha by 2 also equal to nearly 1, because when it is less than 1 is there. Therefore what is left here? Kp is equal to x cube into p by 2, that is only left. Therefore 2 kp by p and is equal to x cube, then x is equal to cubic root of 2 kp by p. This is the expression. Okay, but you should know that from where I took x cube, alpha is nothing but x cube, that's why I wrote directly x cube. Don't think here how this x came. Alpha is equal to x, therefore x cube I wrote here. Okay, so you have to learn this mathematically, where we have to neglect the alpha. It means that negligible possible when addition and subtraction is there. If you multiply, mean value generally greater or generally greater only, or in division also we are not neglecting that alpha value, but sometime in multiplication also we can neglect. Here for example 0.001 into 0.001 is there, again it gives a very smaller value, that time we can neglect. So how to neglect also you should know that. So this is when alpha respective problem how to calculate. Another one is Le-Chatelier principle. Le-Chatelier principle part is very important. So according to Le-Chatelier principle many questions will ask. So that part is, now any equation given that initially reactant convert into product, then product form, after some time that products are convert into reactant and reach to a equilibrium position. So at certain stage rate of forward reaction is equal to rate of backward reaction, that is called equilibrium. Now at equilibrium any measurable properties are do not change, that is well known. So now if you impose any change or if you apply any change, then reaction shift toward that direction. If you increase the high pressure, then reaction shift toward the decrease side. If you increase the concentration, reaction shift toward the decrease side. Now consider here N2O4 gives rise to 2NO2 reaction is given. This is already at equilibrium. So based on this graph also they may ask that purpose I am writing here graph. So this is concentration and this is time. Okay, this square bracket is time. Now already these are at equilibrium.